Before the video starts, I started a new series called PLAYGAMEZ, and this is the first episode of the series. Enjoy!
Okay, start. This is TUNAYUNAHHH back with another video. I've never made a video like this. Today I'll be playing Legend of Slime. I actually don't know if it signed me back in. It told me to restart the... Okay, whatever. Let's go. Yep, it worked. Oh gosh, it's still lagging. So I'm gonna put, I don't want this. I like the noises better. So I'll just be showing you what I have. Wow, so cool. I have 6 of these. I don't feel like doing it, so I'm gonna sweep. Did I get anything new? No, I did not. Because my luck is poo-poo. So my goal for this account, I've been playing this game for like 2 years, I'm pretty sure. And my goal is to get this. Maybe so, I don't know, but we can let's just continue. This is beautiful. Let's gamble, guys. Ooh, I discovered a new star. Okay. What star did I discover? Oh yeah, I got something new like the other day. Wow. First time ever getting this. So that's what I'm also trying to get. So let me, okay, add right now. Can we stop? Okay, thank you. Stop. What's happening? Why is it lagging? Why is it, oh. Ooh, I got an epic. I'm not the only one who saw that. Oh my god! We finally made it, guys. We made it. I'm more powerful. I think we can fight the boss now. Let's see. I better be able to. I did it! Oh my god, I'm so cool. I'm so cool. I'm so good. I'm so good at this game. What did I get? Ooh! That one must be a good one. What? Doesn't make sense, but okay. We're gonna keep it, though. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it.
Okay, we get it!
I only have like 2 mythics in here. How many mythics do I have? So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is S? I think S because it looks like a mythic. But let's just say this. Let's say. Oh my god. It's just sad that, like, yeah, that's it. It's just sad. But I'm just wondering, why did you have to put ads? It's annoying. I'd only play this game since there wasn't ads in it, but I'll just have to stick with it. I don't really care anymore. This is what I actually want to do. I love getting diamonds. What happened to the game? My game. My game. My game. My game is bad. No, what happened? Oh. You're joking me. Now it just starts working whenever I... Oh my god, are you kidding me? This is just sad. I'm disappointed. Why is it so laggy? It's never this laggy on my phone. Okay, here I go. Okay. Oh, I zoned out, sorry. Okay, so that was pretty weird that the game just randomly froze. And then whenever I tried to, like, refresh the game or something, it just... Okay. Stop. Something's happening. What do I draw? Draw 5, what do I draw? Oh, I draw on the gotcha. But which one? The skill? I think I should work on the companion more. Because I mostly do, like, skill or... Like, I always do skill, never gear or, like, companion. So I care about the skills more, you know? But we should be the one that's closest to, like... I really want to save my money, but who likes saving their money? Okay. Yeah, how many goals are there? I got nothing good out of this. That's just sad. Business, yeah. You gotta just do it. Do it. Na, do it. Na. Do whatever you wanna do. I guarantee that's the best for you. My game randomly lagged. That was random. Yeah. In another ad, wow. Got business playing it. Okay. I barely, like... I need to focus on more of these places, I'm not gonna lie. I cannot focus, you're all I need is. I cannot focus, you're all I'm seeing. I cannot focus, you're all I need is. I cannot focus, you're all I'm seeing. You're so amazing, I'm here. Miracle. You're so amazing. Maybe I should put a frog companion, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I should put a frog companion. I already do have a frog companion. But I guess I could rank Kingdom Dog. But I, like, let's see. I need to cheat this game. I'm gonna do something, okay? Okay, watch me do something. We'll see if it's stronger. We could do this. I don't know. Let's see. Is it like stronger than before? We'll see. Looks like it was not, but no. What? But I know what. Fireball. Guys, this is so much fun. Open store. No, I don't want to open the store. I ain't opening no store. No store. Flash drop. I don't want to open the store. Please, no store. Fine, I'll do it. Oh, thank goodness. No! Okay, I'm just gonna say... We're gonna stop here. So I don't want this video to be too long. So, bye.